ครับ
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is วงศกร วรรณเจริญวงศ์ On behalf of the kindergarten team, I would like to
thank
our
loving
president,
Mr.
ชวนกิตติยติศักดิ์ the school manager and Mrs. พัชราลายประดิษฐ์ the school director
and all
the kindergarten teacher. We have learned
so many things
in school. We are sorry that we are
sometimes กับลูก sometimes
we are
naughty
and sometimes
we
didn't
do our homework.
We will
never forget your warm attention. Thank you,
my dear teacher. We love you all.